Hello everyone, this is me Teresa and welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I want to share with you how you can turn your photo into pencil sketch here in Canva. So nag-update na si Canva guys. Before I have a video on how you can turn your photo into pencil sketch effect. Ngayon nag-update na siya. Before it was glitch. And now, may nagtatanong sa akin, hindi ko mahanap yung glitch effect na sinabi mo dun sa video mo. So, ito na yung update ni Canva, okay? Let's grab a photo. Let's use this one. And I want to remove the background. Go to the top toolbar, edit image, and remove background. If you are using Canva free account, you cannot access the background remover here. If you want to try Canva free for 30 days free trial, you can use my link on the description below and try 30 days free trial. You can cancel it anytime, hassle free. Click on apply. Antayin nyo guys yung saving post na mawala kasi minsan bumabalik siya sa dati. Okay. And then to achieve the pencil sketch effect, let's scroll down and look for 3P. Then see all. Hanapin nyo yung trace. So, ganyan yung effects niya. So, ang gagawin natin, click on the controls, reduce the RGB shift, reduce to colorize, and then the brightness here. Okay. So, kayo yung bahala kung ano yung isa-set nyo dyan na settings para ma-achieve nyo yung pencil sketch effect. Click on apply. And then go to adjust section. Click on see all. And then from here, you can adjust the settings para mas ma-achieve nyo yung pencil sketch effect niya. Alright, let's remove the blur effect. So, let's say negative 50. And yung saturation niya like 20. And then yung contrast. Kung gusto niyo lagyan ng contrast, 20 din. And then yung brightness naman like 10 or negative 10. So, kayo nang bahala guys na mag-set ng settings niya. Alright? Parang super black siya, so. Then, yung blur effect, pwede nyo siyang ilagay sa negative 100 or yung negative 50, okay na siya. Pwede nyo siyang lagyan ng shadows. Ganyan. Yan. So, just play around with the settings in here para mas ma-achieve nyo yung katotohanang pencil sketch effect. Alright? I-zoom natin siya. So, kung okay na sa inyo yan, you can download it. Go to the share button, then click on download, PNG, then click on download. So, yan guys yung effects na ginawa natin, okay? You can do better here by just adjusting the settings here, okay? I hope you find this video helpful. For more videos, click that subscribe button down there and turn on the notification bell to get you updated. For your questions, comment down below and please like and share. Thank you guys for watching. Good day and God bless everyone.